Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. We have a checklist here, and we want to format the task column based on whether the checkbox is checked. We're going to use conditional formatting with checkboxes. Let's do it. Step 1. Understand the checkbox. A checkbox in Google Sheets is just a visual representation of true or false. When it's unchecked, it equals false. When it's checked, it equals true. That's what makes this powerful for conditional formatting. Step 2. Apply conditional formatting to the task column. Let's say column A equals checkbox. Column B equals task. Select column B. Go to Format, Conditional Formatting. Under Format Rules, change it to Custom Formula is. Now we're going to use this formula. I'll include it in the description so you can copy it. Here's what this means. $A locks the column reference to column A. 1 allows the row number to change as the rule moves down. Equals true means apply formatting when the checkbox is checked. So even though we're formatting column B, we're checking column A. Step 3. Add strike-through formatting. Let's first apply a simple effect. Choose Strike-through. Click Done. Now when you check a box in column A, the task in column B gets a nice strike-through, simple and clean. Step 4. Make it more dramatic. Let's take it further. Go back into conditional formatting. Edit the rule. Instead of strike-through, let's change background color to black. Change text color to black. Click Done. Now when we check the box, the task visually disappears. But here's the important part. It's still there. The checkbox might look gone, but it's actually just formatted black on black. Step 5. Apply it to the entire row. What if we want this formatting across the entire row? Go back into conditional formatting. Change the apply to range from B to A, B. Now the rule applies to both columns. When we check the checkbox, the entire row formats. Even the checkbox looks like it disappears, but it's still active. You can click in the cell and press the spacebar to check multiple at once, uncheck multiple at once. Very efficient. Why this works? The key is the formula. The $sign locks the column, so every row checks its own checkbox in column A. That's the magic. If you're looking for more cool conditional formatting tricks and ways to get more out of your Google Sheets than ever before, subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. And I'll see you in the next one.